Good morning. We are off to the beach that we found yesterday. We're going to be there for a few hours and then do our shark diving excursion. So we stopped by the 7-Eleven so that we can get some snacks before we go to the beach, since we'll be there for a while. A yummy pastry roll. What was this? What was this?
Char siu bao.
Okay, yeah.
Pork char siu bao.
It's really hot. And then I got this, so I'm gonna eat this, and then this little Loco Moco bento thing. So it's one of the best beaches that we've been to. Really sandy, beautiful, not a lot of people. So we just finished up our shark excursion and it was really fun. I was actually a little nervous, but it ended up being okay. There were a ton of sharks though, more than I thought were gonna be there. The waves were a little rough, but it was still pretty fun. But we didn't really get seasick. Right? Did you have fun?
Yeah, I got seasick.
We are now headed out for dinner. We're gonna go to a buffet and it's really good. And they have like crab legs and just everything that's so good. So that's where we're going right now.
Congratulations, ma'am. Happy birthday. You won a fabulous shopping spree at Harry Winston's in St. Thomas, the Virgin Islands.
Thank you. So we just came back from the buffet. It was really good, but I feel like I overate, so I'm really bloated. But we are gonna go last minute shopping downtown and just look for things that we might want, and then go to sleep, pack, wake up tomorrow, and get ready to leave. So today was our last full day here in Hawaii, and we actually only brought carry-ons with us and our personal items, so we just finished packing our stuff and then we're going to be ready to leave tomorrow, and then I just have the clothes that I'm going to wear tomorrow to the airport. Otherwise it's all clean and ready to go.